Hello, my name is Paul Casas. I'm 25 years old. In 2018, I graduated from Mindanao State University Buog campus in the Philippines and become a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science, and I have a 1 year experience in a poultry egg farm from February 2019 to February 2020. I work on the Ross Acre farm in the United States of America. The production approximately of 200 houses of chickens, and also I have a 1 year experience in dairy farm and meat production from December 2021 to December 2022. I work on the Biolandhof Alfred Hermann farm in Germany. The production including 300 heads of cows milking and 100 for young calves and 70 heads for bulls and 50 heads for dry cow. And also I am honest and responsible, and I am a hardworking person, and I can work under pressure. And also thank you for your time and have a great day.